Alright, so I'm out here working on this 2000 Pontiac Montana. We're gonna do front pads and rotors and a new caliper. So I'm gonna show you how to do it on this side, and you should be able to do it on the other side. Alright, so you're gonna need a 15 millimeter. And you're going to need a 15 to loosen the caliper bracket off. Next to use soap and water, but I don't have that available, so I use. Alright, so I'm going to have the customer pump it 3 times and hold. Go ahead and pump it. Pump it. We're going to keep doing this until there's no more air bubbles. One more time. Alright, so
And that's how you bleed your brakes, replace caliper, and front brake job. Get right with Alpha Auto.